Okay, today we are talking about how to set the combination on a master lock. This applies to these three model numbers. So here's what the lock in question looks like. Here's the instructions that come with the lock. Pretty straightforward. So this is not a paid promotion. So this new lock comes with the combination 0000. Put the instructions up on the screen. You open the lock, turn the shackle 90 degrees, like so. Then I'm going to push down on the shackle. And then turn the shackle another 90 degrees so it's parallel with the body of the lock. I'm then going to enter whatever combination I want the lock to be set to. You may want to write your combination down somewhere safe so you don't forget it. Once the combo is set, I'm going to lift up on the shackle, turn it 180 degrees, push it back down into the lock. Now you see it's locked. So let's test our new combination. I'll enter my new combo. Let's see if the lock opens.
Woo!
We're good to go. I hope this helps you. And here's a close-up view of the instructions for this master lock. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.